My name is Lyndon Golan, and my company is Regency Theaters. Regency Theaters was founded in 1996 when my brother and I decided we wanted to establish neighborhood theaters. We saw a real need, to show independent and foreign films in suburban areas, and that was our first idea, to deliver, unique content to neighborhoods that, wanted to see it, but there wasn't access to it. When we started out, our vision was really to become part of a community, and we had a lot of success, we felt, in reaching the community and really becoming an amenity and a destination for the local communities. And we expanded based on that what we now call our neighborhood theaters, and that's been our focus. After Camarillo, we took over a 2-screen theater in Westlake Village. Now we're pretty much all over Southern California. Of our 27 locations, we serve all types of product. We have state-of-the-art with Dolby Atmos and D-Box, motion seats, luxurious theaters with wine bars and restaurant components. We have second-run theaters where it's just $3 to get in. I learned about the Boys and Girls Club through my daughter, who went to the Chaparral Club. She looked forward to going, and that's how we got involved in the clubs. Growing up and going to Boys and Girls Clubs and having my daughter go, we have seen many success stories. We just feel it's a great organization. Yeah, we've been a corporate sponsor for the Conejo Valley Boys and Girls Club for the last 5 years, and it's really been great. And we look at it as, in 100 years, the price of the car that we're driving or the size of the house that we're living in isn't going to mean a thing. But if we can help a kid now and make a difference in their lives, we feel we can make a difference.